Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'd like to continue our Bandit series. The level I'm going to do is level 3. And here is description for this level. The password for the next level is stored in a file called spaces in this file name, located in the home directory. Therefore, obviously, we will deal with the file name which contains spaces. And I'd like to demonstrate 4 ways to get our job done. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. You're greatly appreciated. So enough talk, let's just get started. We can head over to Linux. And, in the last video, we have already got the password for the level 2 or Bandit 2. So then we can use the password to SSH to the target. SSH, followed by the username and also the host name. And between username and host or IP address of the target, we need to put the @ and also we need to use the option of -p to specify this unusual port number. The default port number for SSH service will be 22. So now we can hit enter. All right, it's asking us for supplying the password for the Bandit 2. And we can go back to my note to copy this password. And then paste in here. All right, we are in the target machine. And first of all, I'd like to clear the screen to get a bigger space. And the first command I'd like to run is ls with option of A, it means all, L, long list, H means human readable format. So the size of the file would be more human readable. As you can see here, besides default directories and files of the user, we can notice this file. And this file uses the file name which contains spaces. So how to retrieve this file? And next, I'd like to show you 4 ways. The first way, I think, from my point of view, is the easiest way. It uses tab key on the keyboard to autocomplete the file name. So let's cat space, and we can use the tab. As you can see, the file name is automatically completed. So now we can hit enter, and we successfully retrieved the content of this file. And this is the first way. Next, I'd like to show you the second way. We can use space and space in space this space and file name. Okay, so as you can see, we can get the same result. And this is the second way. And the third way I'd like to use is to use single quote or double quotes. And we can, put all of words or characters, including the space between quotes. Okay, let me show you. Cat, single quote, spaces, space, this file name. And then we can close up with quote. Let's press enter. As you can see, we still get the same result. And the last way I'd like to show you, a bit tricky. We can use the cat and use the, as you know, this symbol or this sign represents all files under the current working directory. So now we can press enter, and then we can get the same result. So far, I think I've already demonstrated 4 ways to retrieve the password for the next level. That's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day, please.